Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Barry Davis, and I'd like to say welcome to Supercomputing 16 and to the Intel booth here at, on the show floor here. I am just really excited to welcome you to SC16 and to really just to be a part of this great HPC community. At Supercomputing 16 this year, we are showcasing products and technologies fueling insights based upon artificial intelligence. This will allow Intel's customers to gain deeper insights and use those insights for scientific discovery. It's really going to be an exciting year coming up, and really what we have in the booth here is going to allow our customers to really expand their understanding of supercomputing and allow their customers to just take off, right? And that's really one of the things we're trying to showcase here. Also in the booth this year, we're showcasing our Scalable System Framework. Our Scalable System Framework is how we showcase many workloads, right? It's our solution for bringing these workloads applied to the problems of supercomputing. In the booth here this year, our demo, our SSF, the Intel Scalable System Framework demo, is really being applied to cancer treatment and new drug discovery. And it really shows how the Intel products and technologies can be applied through the Scalable System Framework to this pipeline of discovery. And it's really an exciting demo, and we really would love everyone to stop by and see that. So we have lots of announcements at the show this year. One of our biggest announcements is this is the first place that we're talking about Intel's next generation Xeon processor. This processor is going to be a fantastic addition to our portfolio to Intel's portfolio for high performance computing, with the addition of the Intel AVX 512 instruction set. That's the same instruction set that we announced in ISC 16 this year on the Knights Landing processor, as well as the integration of Intel's Omni-Path fabric technology. This is the first time that technology has been integrated onto a Xeon processor. That now joins the integration of Omnipath technology on the Xeon Phi CPU, and we think the addition of these two together is going to really help make that Intel Omnipath technology the HPC fabric of choice. Another announcement that Intel made at Supercomputing 16 this year is the Intel HPC Orchestrator. This is the Intel supported software suite based upon on the Linux Foundation Open HPC software stack. We're really proud and excited to add this to our portfolio, to make it part of the Scalable System Framework, and we really think it's going to have a big impact on bringing these capabilities to our customers for high performance computing. As we said before, artificial intelligence is a big theme for us, and so another one of our announcements at the show this week is the Intel Deep Learning Inference Accelerator. The Intel Deep Learning Inference Accelerator is an Intel Area 10 FPGA-based card, but it's not just a piece of hardware. It's a card that's been integrated with the Intel Optimized Café machine learning framework, as well as MKLDNN machine learning libraries. So what this really does is it provides a complete deep learning inference solution for applications such as image recognition for our customer base. So we're really excited to add that to the portfolio, and we really believe it's going to help our customers start getting into, taking advantage of artificial intelligence and machine learning to gain insights into their products and into their technologies. Like at every supercomputing, this year the top 500 list came out, and Intel had another great showing. This is the 9th consecutive list where we've actually grown with Intel technology as part of that list. This year, Intel has now grown over 4% to 92.4% of the top 500 list. Another phenomenal showing. So we're really excited and proud. And it's not just about that total number. We've actually have 9 new systems added to the system to the top 500 list based upon the Intel Xeon Phi CPU. We now have a total of 28 systems on the top 500 list based upon the Intel Omni-Path architecture. So we've got total growth in terms of now being 92.4% of the list for Intel technologies, but as well as have a broader portfolio, including, like I said, Intel Xeon Phi CPU, Intel Xeon CPU, as well as now Intel Omni-Path architecture. So another great showing for Intel, and we really now are providing some great capabilities to our customers for high performance computing. The Intel Omni-Path architecture, fabric architecture, was announced actually at SC15, so just about a year ago. We've had just a phenomenal showing for this technology. We now actually have available, as of this week, We now have Intel Omni-Path integrated onto the Xeon Phi CPU, so we have general availability for that. As we said before, we're also talking about the integration of Intel Omni-Path on our next generation Xeon CPU, and taking all that with the phenomenal showing on the top 500 list really just is great momentum for Intel Omni-Path, and we know that this is becoming the HPC fabric of choice in the industry. So in closing, I just want to say thank you for joining us here at Supercomputing 16 here in Salt Lake City. It's been a great week here at the Intel booth. We've had lots of customers come through. We've showcased the Intel Scalable System Framework. We've showcased the Intel Xeon Phi CPU. We've talked about the next generation Intel Xeon CPU. We've had the announcements for Intel HPC Orchestrator. It's been a great week. We've had great customer meetings. We've had great demonstrations, and we just want to say thank you and see you next year at Supercomputing 17 in Denver.